How to make your pine cone bird feeder. In your kit you will find a packet of bird seed, a little container of vegetable shortening, a pine cone, a paper boat, and a craft stick. The first thing you want to do is to open up that little plastic container and use your craft stick to scrape all of that vegetable shortening into the paper boat. And you want to throw that little plastic container when you're finished with it in the recyclables. Now take the bird seed and pour it right on top of the vegetable shortening into the paper boat. Now the next step is going to take some work. You want to chop and stir and mix all that bird seed into the vegetable shortening and get it all incorporated together, all mixed together well. Once you have it all mixed together, you're ready to put it into the scales of the pine cone and just work it into the pine cone. You can use your craft stick or you can use your fingers and get it all put onto your pine cone. Once you have it all on your pine cone, you are ready to take it outside and to use those strings on the top to tie it to a tree or a trellis or a fence or something you can tie it to where the birds can get it. Now you're ready to watch for the birds to come and enjoy your winter treat.